my gosh. Please excuse the way that I can't talk. Please excuse the way that I look. I was not even planning to film today. I got this in the mail. These, oh God, I'm all over the place. I got these two things in the mail today and I really wanted to show them off to you what I got. I look like crap, I'm sorry. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be unboxing a Korean skincare brand. It is literally 9 o'clock, 9:20. As I'm filming this right now. I was not planning to film today and I have something in my eyeball. I was not planning to film today, but I did get these two items in the mail and I really wanted to show them off to you guys. So if you'd like to see this really awesome skincare line that is K-Beauty, then keep on watching. So I actually got two things in the mail here. I got this box right here and then this really pretty bag. Like, oh my God, the holographic is real. Oh. That messed with my lighting really bad. So this right here is actually by a brand called Boutique. I do believe that's how you say the name. And they actually really kindly sent this over to me. They messaged me on Instagram and they said, hey, we would love to send you some of our stuff if you would care to receive it. So I said, that's amazing. Thank you so much. And I had no idea they were sending two things over. But I want to make it very clear that I was sent this for free. Obviously my opinion is going to be my own, but there was no exchange of money or anything like that. It's not sponsored. I just really wanted to show this off because I thought it was actually really adorable. Now I do know what is in these because I have already opened them, but I do want to go through with you and share what I did get. So let's go ahead and just jump into it. How you doing, Phil DeFranco? Alright, so let's actually start with this box here first. If you take a look at it, it has this very light, dusty pink color, and it says by Boutique. I really think that's how you say the name. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but this is a K-Beauty brand, I do believe. And here's what it says, Me, Myself, and I, February 2019, the Beauty Box by Boutique Monthly. And then here is what is inside the box. And when I actually first heard about this, I thought that it was going to be like only skincare stuff, like face masks and like face creams and stuff like that, but it's actually a lot of different items that I do believe maybe be sold in normal Korean like drugstores or supermarkets, something like that. I'm honestly not entirely sure, but it looks adorable. And then this right here that I just pulled off the top is actually a little card right here, and they so graciously gave me a coupon code if you would love to use that. That sounded weird. If you would like to use the coupon code, you're more than welcome to. If you don't want to use it, then you have no obligation to whatsoever. It just saves you guys a little bit of money. I do not get any commission from this. This is not an affiliate code at all. But it is Kenzie25 right there. So if you do want to take 25% off at your checkout whenever you are it may be for the beauty box. I'm not entirely sure what it gives you off. Maybe they sell things individually. But if you do want to use the code, then it is there for you. Again, it's not affiliated at all. It's just a code. So if you want to use it, you totally can. And then let's actually get into the unboxing here. So the first thing that I do see here is it says it is a prickly pear soothing gel, and I don't actually know what this is for. I think I read somewhere that cactus like kind of helps with irritation, kind of like aloe vera, but everything on the back is in Korean, so I cannot read the instructions or what it's supposed to do, but it says it's a, maybe this will tell me actually. Let me look at the actual card here. It does. Okay, so it says, why we love it. We are 100% sure that you will love this soothing jelly that contains 92% jeju. I'm saying that totally wrong probably. Right there. Jeju. Prickly pear fermented water. It is very hydrating and has anti-aging properties, and it says how to use. Apply a pea-sized amount to clean skin. Rub into target areas until jelly is completely absorbed. Add more if needed. So I believe this is really for intense hydration, which is wonderful, especially for my skin, because you do know that I have very dry skin. I say that all the time. I can't smell anything. Oh, I'm an idiot. Still can't smell anything, but my smeller does not work very well. And yeah, it is almost like water. Oh my goodness, it is literally water. Let's rub this in. Actually, I don't know. I don't know how it's going to affect me. I haven't used it yet, but it literally feels like I'm washing my hands. It feels very hydrating. This is super exciting. I cannot wait to try this out. Next up in our little box here, we have some mascara. This is Farm Stay, maybe that's the brand, and it says Princess Curl and Long Lash Mascara. Let's open her up here. And here's what she looks like. She does look very, very cute. Now, from things that I don't know very much about Korean skincare, so I'm not exactly a connoisseur, if you will, but from what I've seen and from what I've like read online and seen via like maybe Korean television, not television, but like K-dramas or just social media in general, that Korean makeup is quite light when it comes to applying it, and compared to like a Western makeup, to where we tend to do things more heavy and kind of like beat that face, you know what I mean? Korean skincare and makeup is more light, and it's more laid back and kind of like a light hand. So I'm not sure how this will work, but I'm very, very excited. It does seem to be a very wet formula of mascara, which I do tend to like more than a dry formula. So I'm excited to give this a shot. I cannot wait. Next up we have, oh my god, I cannot wait for this. This is so cute. It's called Pore Shot, and it is a one-step clearing it's a nose mask. So you put it like over here, and then it's supposed to, I thought it was a bunny at first, but then I actually read this in here and it says that it's a cat. It says looking good, feline good, feeling good, with these adorable nose strips. Easily and effectively remove dirt, blackheads from your pores while looking like a cat. How cute is that? So I'm actually super excited about this. One thing that I love about K-beauty is that it's very like animated. A lot of the stuff is looking like animals, or they have really adorable faces, or very like chibi looking things, so I'm very excited about that. Ooh, next up we have here is really cool. It's actually an eyebrow razor, or you can even use this for like down here if you have a little peach fuzz and you can just shave that off. Very, very cute. I've actually never owned one of these before, so I will definitely try that out if I ever need it. And then the second to last thing in here is this hair mist. It says Blooming Perfume. Now I'm not entirely sure if this is like hairspray or if it's just something to kind of like maybe a texturizer. Let's read and see. It's dry shampoo. Got it. Great hair days make it I can't talk. Great hair days make it easy to feel good about yourself. Stop clogging your hair follicles with dry shampoo and is this not? Oh, it's not dry shampoo. I lied. I'm sorry. Stop clogging your hair follicles with dry shampoo and get ready for the best hair days with this light scented mist. How to use. Shake gently, hold the bottle about 6 inches from your scalp, and spray can be used directly on damp or dry hair. So that's great. And then it actually says something else. Let me see. Plant-derived mucin contains the yam, okra, and kelp extract to prevent split ends and tangling. Okay, so it doesn't seem like not a treatment per se, but something that you can put in your hair to help detangling for sure. And then, oh, look at that, how cute. That's adorable. I'm excited about that. I will 100% give this a shot and tell you what I think about it. And then last but certainly not least, we have this Collagen Power Firming Eye Cream. I love like stuff like this, so firming eye cream, I cannot wait to give this a shot. Here is what she looks like. And then yeah, I'll try this out and see what I think about it. So that is all that was in the actual box. Now we're gonna actually move to this really nicely packaged something or another, and then it's in here. Look how cute it is. It's all nicely wrapped, and these are face masks. I'm in like face mask heaven because I love face masks. They're so much fun. And then we got a ton of face masks. Like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 face masks, and I cannot wait. So this one right here is called My Beauty Diary. How cute is she? And this looks to be kind of like a Western desert kind of theme going on here, so that one's really cute. I don't actually have the card. Oh, I do have the card. Oh, okay, so it actually shows all of them here, and then at the bottom you have a mystery mask. I'm not seeing this one on the rest of the pictures, so this one must be the mystery mask. So really cute. It doesn't really have a lot of information about this particular one since it was the mystery mask, but I'm excited to use it. It looks really cute. And then next up we have this one right here is in a black and gold packaging. And then this one says it is a pore minimizing black mask. Reduce your pore size and increase the love for your skin. Contains cucumber extract and witch hazel. A great combination for perfect skin. That is super cute. I'm so excited. I've never actually tried witch hazel in a mask before, so that's very exciting. Next up we have this one right here, and I don't know the actual name of this brand, but it is very cute. It's in like a longer rectangular type of packaging than compared to something like this. But this one right here, it is hyaluronic maybe moisturizing mask, and this one does say that it is for it says winter can be harsh on your skin and cause more dryness than usual. So we got your back with this hyaluronic, aka hyaluronic acid mask. So it seems to be very moisturizing, and it will seem to really help if you're having issues in the winter time when it comes to dry skin. Next up we have this pomegranate mask right here. I love me some pomegranate. It's so good. And then this one seems to be vitality and firming, so really cute. This one says not only are pomegranates a tasty snack, but they also work well as a skincare treatment. It is most famous for its anti-aging properties. Really fun. We have another really cute mask here, hyaluronic acid mask, and this one is a navy blue color with a bunch of flowers on it. These are so cute. This is why I love Korean skincare, just in general. I love other skincare as well, but I think these are freaking adorable. Again, the back for all of these, they are all in Korean, so I cannot read them, but that is why we have our handy dandy notebook. Who knows? Who knows what that is from? Leave it in the comments. It says, get hydrated skin without irritating it. This 100% cotton mask is extra soft on your skin and is hypoallergenic. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Next up, we have one from the same brand, it looks like, and then it says Eye and Lip Beauty, so I think that must be the brand right here. And then we have another one from that same brand. This one is a charcoal mask. I love charcoal masks. They may not be the best for my personal skin type because I do have very dry, sensitive skin, but whenever I do use them, I can really tell that they lift all the pores out of my cheek and nose area really well, so I really like those. And then this one says, this mask has it all, an abundance of ingredients, charcoal, carrots, blueberries, and more, moisturizing abilities, and it's hypoallergenic. Again, that's perfect for me. And then next two we have are from the same brand as well, and it looks like it is from the brand Happy Bath, maybe? Right there, Happy Bath. And this one is a lotus face mask, and it looks really cute. And then the next one is a rose face mask. So it says, happy skin, happy mind, happy you. Happy Bath's lotus mask, it gives you all that a great skin needs to look and feel confident through the month. So yeah, really great for that. And then this one, oh my god, I cannot wait to try this one out. This one is, yes, this one is an espresso mask. It looks to be espresso and maybe honey dripping down there, but I cannot wait. I've never used a face mask that has been like infused with caffeine before, so I'm super excited to try that. It says, give your skin a little taste of the good stuff with this espresso mask. Contains coffee, grape, and cocoa extracts for anti-aging and dry skin types. So super excited. I want to use this one like immediately. I love that, so I'm stoked. But you guys, that is going to be my unboxing slash unbagging video for the day. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.